Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 controller and fix many of the common issues. So I have my controller right here and my PlayStation is turned on in the background, and I'm just going to simply turn this around and use a bobby pin or something to press this in on the back here. So there is a small little hole, and we just have to press that in, and our controller is going to turn off. So you can see my controller is on, and now it's off. So just hold this down for like 5 seconds to make sure it's off, and then let go. And you can see my DualSense wireless controller is disconnected right there. Now we have to go to my PlayStation 5, and there's going to be a small button on the front, and this is going to be the power button. Just simply hold this down, and you'll hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep, and our PlayStation 5 is going to turn off. Now, what we want to do is plug in our controller with a USB cable just like this, and then press the PlayStation button, and we can turn on our PlayStation. And I heard the beep, and it's going to start up. Now, if you don't do it like this, your controller is going to disconnect, and you're going to be turning it on and pressing buttons, and nothing is going to work. So definitely go ahead and do it like this. And when our controller starts up, we should be connected, and we should be ready to go. So you can see the light is on. Now we can disconnect it, and it should stay connected wirelessly now. So let's log into my PlayStation 5 here. Then we can go up to the top, and we can go on over to where it says accessories. So let's scroll on down. Here it is, and then go to general Bluetooth accessories, and we have our DualSense wireless controller. Now another thing we could try is selecting this and then going to delete. And we can completely remove it from our PlayStation 5. And once again, we can just re-add it if it's still not working. So connect it and then press the PlayStation button, and it should be connected at the top now. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.